Ce que j'aime vraiment, what I love the most. Ce matin, Archibald a raté son match. Suzanne, elle, l'a bien réussi. One morning, Archibald lost his match. He lost the game. Suzanne won. Le lendemain et les jours suivants, Archibald s'est entraîné. The next day and the days after, Archibald trained. He worked hard to improve. Mais ça n'a pas beaucoup changé. But not a lot changed. Un mercredi, Archibald s'est senti tout petit. On Wednesday, Archibald felt very small. Je ne suis vraiment pas doué, he said. I feel like I'm not gifted at anything. I feel like I'm not talented at anything, he said to his mom. Alors, sa maman l'a emmené se promener. His mom took him for a walk. Ils ont vu un bel oiseau blanc au bord de la rivière. They saw a beautiful white bird singing on the bank of the river. Archibald et sa maman ont écouté chanter. They listened to him sing. Est-ce que tu crois que cet oiseau n'est pas doué parce qu'il ne sait pas nager? Asked his mom. Do you think that this bird is not talented, that the bird is not gifted because he can't swim? Un peu plus loin, sur une fleur, ils ont vu un papillon. Archibald et sa maman ont regardé s'envoler. A little while later, they saw a butterfly on a flower, and they watched it fly. Est-ce que tu crois que ce papillon n'est pas doué parce qu'il ne sait pas chanter? A demandé sa maman. The mom is asking, do you think that this butterfly is not talented and is not gifted because it can't sing? Et puis, à l'heure de goûter, ils ont allé sur un pommier. A little while later, when it was snack time, they were sitting underneath a big apple tree. Est-ce que tu crois que ce pommier n'est pas doué parce qu'il ne sait pas voler? A demandé la maman d'Archibald. The mom is asking, do you think that this apple tree is not talented because it can't fly? Archibald thinks that's funny. Archibald a regardé l'oiseau. He looks at the bird. Le papillon, the butterfly. Le pommier, the apple tree, et sa maman qui lui souriait. And he looked at his mom who was smiling at him. Ah, ça non, a répondu Archibald. Of course not. Ah bien, c'est pareil pour toi. Oh, good, that's the same as for you. Tu ne peux pas tout réussir, mais si tu trouves ce que tu aimes vraiment, ce qui est important pour toi, tu le réussiras. It's the same for you. Once you find something that you really love, something that is important to you, you are going to succeed. À la maison, Archibald a cherché ce qu'il aimait vraiment. At his house, he was looking for what he loved the most. Cuisiner, because he liked cooking the most. Danser, does he love to dance? Viser, archery. Immobiliser, maybe wrestling. I don't know. Imaginer, creating. Réciter, acting. À l'école, il a continué de chercher. At school, he was looking too. What is it that he loves to do the most? Et un soir, il ne cherchait plus, mais il a trouvé. One night, he didn't have to look anymore because he found it. Archibald a expliqué ce qui était vraiment important pour lui. At dinner, Archibald explained what was so important to him. Son papa a applaudi, sa maman aussi. His dad clapped. His mom clapped too. They applauded. What do you think is most important to Archibald? What is most important to you? What do you love to do the most? Le lendemain et les jours suivants, Archibald s'est entraîné, le matin et le soir, parfois très tard. The day after and the days after that, Archibald trained. He practiced from the morning into the night. Every day, really late, he practiced hard. Certains jours, Archibald s'est senti un peu découragé. Certain days, Archibald felt very discouraged. He felt like maybe he wasn't going to be able to succeed at his goal. Mais ses parents et même sa petite sœur, ils ont jamais douté. Et puis, un jour, but his parents and his little sister, they never doubted him. They believed in him. And they kept him believing in his dream too. Think about the people in your life that believe in you. Maybe someone at home in your family, or someone from school, an adult at school, or a friend at school that believes in you. How does that make you feel when someone believes in you? That's probably how Archibald is feeling too. Okay. Et puis un jour, and then one day, devant son piano, il s'est senti comme un pommier, un papillon et un oiseau. At his piano, he felt like an apple tree, he felt like a butterfly, and he felt like a bird. Here's his family and the audience listening to him play the piano. Fin. The end. Thanks for listening.